everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious cranberry bliss bars. Everybody loves them from Starbucks, everyone has had them, and today I'm going to show you how to make the recipe. So let's get started. To begin, I've got 1.5 cups of brown sugar. I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm going to give this a mix. And 1/2 cup of dried cranberries, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to give this a mix. The batter does get thick, so you may want to switch over to the spatula at a certain point and mix it all in. I've got a 9x9 baking pan that I've sprayed down with some pan spray. It may be best to line it with some parchment paper, but today I'm using pan spray. I'm going to bake these in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. For the icing, I have 1/2 cup of cream cheese and 1 cup of powdered sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of orange zest, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to blend this together till it's nice and smooth and creamy. Now I have 2 tablespoons of dried cranberries, and I'm just going to give these a nice chop. We're going to top our bars with these later. My bars are out of the oven and they are cool, so I'm going to spread the icing over here nice and even. Do a little design if you like. Then I'm going to sprinkle the cranberries on top. Now I have 1/4 cup of white chocolate chips that I've melted down and put in a piping bag, and I'm just going to drizzle this right over top of my bars. Now you want your bars to cool in the refrigerator for 20 minutes before you cut them, and look at how they turned out. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. And if you'd like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.